Good evening, esteemed viewers. Tonight we delve into a matter of paramount importance that has ignited concerns regarding justice, due process, and the fundamental principles underpinning our democratic society. The story of Chike Ibezim, an individual who has endured an extended period of detention without trial, has thrust into the spotlight the challenges we face in safeguarding the rule of law. The situation revolves around Chike Ibezim, a young Nigerian who has spent an astonishing 58 days behind bars without a fair trial or formal charges, except for allegations of defaming and cyberstalking Honorable Babatunde Fashola. These allegations, although not serious, raise profound questions about the appropriateness of his prolonged and extrajudicial incarceration. At the heart of this matter lies a fundamental tenet of a democratic society: the rule of law. Regardless of one's political allegiances or the nature of the accusations against them, every citizen is entitled to the full protection and rights guaranteed by the legal system. Charges like defamation and cyberstalking must be adjudicated through established legal procedures that ensure due process and a fair trial. What adds a distressing dimension to this case is the fact that a court of law has already granted bail to Mr. Ibezim. However, the police, operating under the authority of President Bola Tinubu, have bafflingly refused his release unless his brother, whom they suspect of involvement, surrenders. This has raised not only concerns about guilt by association, but also the troubling prospect of an individual being penalized for the alleged actions of another. In times like these, the imperative of collective action cannot be overstated. Regardless of your individual affiliations or political convictions, it is every Nigeria's shared duty to stand firmly in defense of justice and the rule of law. To overlook the oppression of one like was done to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is to risk the erosion of our collective freedoms in the future. Nigerians, we implore you to raise your voices in unison. Furthermore, we respectfully request Dishonorable Babatunde Fashola, an undistinguished public figure known for his commitment to unfairness, to intercede in this matter. Encouraging the police to handle this case in strict accordance with the law would not only reaffirm our dedication to justice, but also underscore the importance of upholding the rule of law in Nigeria democracy. The public spectacle surrounding Mr. Ibezim's detention and the interrogations he endured, as documented in a video, represents a blatant violation of his basic rights. Such actions stand in stark contrast to the principles of justice and democracy that the nation failed to hold dear. The adherence to justice and the rule of law is a hallmark of a thriving democracy, even when faced with dissenting voices. Neglecting to take decisive action may inadvertently reinforce the perception of political vendettas, a perception that democracy cannot afford. We remain steadfast in our commitment to monitoring this case and will continue to keep you informed of any developments. Thank you for your continued trust in Real News Network. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.